Okay, friends, welcome to IACE. Friends, today we are going to discuss RRB Officer Scale 1 Prelims Grand Test number 48 Reasoning Explanation. Friends, here, take care. First question. Friends, take care. Question number 1 to 5. The given question is from sitting arrangement. Friends, here, 8% PQRST, UV, and W are sitting around a circular table facing towards the center. Yes, friends, here. So here totally we are having 8%, total we are having 8 members are sitting around a circular table facing the center. Next, each of them like different biscuits. They given Britannia, Crunch, Creams, Mary, next Monaco, Nimkin, Parley and Oreo, but not necessarily in the same order. Leave it. Now friends, take care first point. Take care first point. Sige. V comma who likes Nimkin. Who likes means what? V likes Nimkin. Sits opposite to T. Leave it. R sits opposite to the one who sits immediate left of W. Suppose friends check here. This one is for W. Friends all are facing inside. No need to mention. Now immediate left of W is for this one. Now R sits opposite to the one who sits immediate left of W. The one who sits immediate left of W. Next, who likes cream? Who likes means what? Here W. W likes here cream. See here W likes here creams. Yes, friends check here. W like here creams. Next one is for two persons sit between W and the one who like crunch. So between W and crunch here we are having two members. W want to crunch chance. Next W want to crunch also chance. Leave it. Next one. Q who likes marigold sits immediate left of P. Friends here Q likes marigold. Q likes marigold sits immediate left of P. Leave it. Next who likes Oreo? Who likes Miss Pan? Here P likes Oreo. Next one. W and T are not adjacent to each other. Yes. Leave it. Next one. Friends, S who likes Parley sits second right of W. Now friends here, S sits second right of W. Friends here, W facing inside, first right, second right is spot. Yes. Now S like here, Parley sits second right of W. Now friends here, our requirement is for friends here. They mention here Q likes marigold sits immediate left of P. Next who likes here Oreo? Leave it. Next one is for friends here. First point is for V likes Nimkin sits opposite to T. That means V and T both are opposite. Friends, V and T both are opposite means here no chance. V and T are opposite. Here no chance. Here no chance. This is the possibility for V and T. V and T are opposite means these two are the possibilities. But the given one is what? W and T are not adjacent to each other. That means for T here no chance. Then this one is what? V. Now this one is what? Here T. Now see here V and T both are opposite. Now T and W are not adjacent. Now V likes here Nimkin, he likes here Nimkin. Yes, friends here V likes here Nimkin. Next, leave it. Next one, neither U nor T likes Monaco. Yes, leave it. Friends here, the given one is one. See here, take this point. Q who likes marigold, Q likes here marigold sits immediate left of P and Q is immediate left of P. Only possibility is one. Q and P are neighbors means this is the only possibility. Q is immediate left of P. Q is P facing inside. Q is immediately left of P. Now here Q likes Mary biscuit. Yes, one check. Q likes here Mary. Next one is part here. P likes here Oreo. P likes here Oreo. Yes, leave it. Next, friends. Now remaining is part U and remaining is part here U. Friends, the next one is part neither U nor T likes Monaco. Neither U nor T likes Monaco. U and T Monaco no chance. That means this is the only possibility for Monaco. This is the only possibility for here. So here Monaco. Next, leave it. Next, friends, check here. Previously taken one clue point is part. So here, two persons sit between W and the one who like crunch. Now W want to crunch, no chance. W want to this one is part. This one is part here crunch. This one is part here crunch. Yes, this is the given one. Now remaining biscuit is one. Friends, check here. Now remaining biscuit brand is what? Here Britannia. Remaining is what? Britannia. That means here you likes here Britannia. You likes here Britannia. Yes. This is the given one. Yes. Now take your question. Question number one. Who among the following sits second left of Q? Q facing inside. First left, second left is part. U. So friends, answer is part. Option D. So question number one. Option D. Question number two. R likes which biscuit? Friends here. R like which biscuit here? Monaco. So friends here. Answer is part. Here. Monaco. Answer is part. Option C. Question number three. How many persons sit between P and the one who likes Britannia? P and the one who likes Britannia. The one who likes here Britannia. When counted from right of P, P facing inside, right of P, 1, 2, 3, 4, the finish part, Britannia. So between P and Britannia, how many persons are there? Counting from right of P means here we are having 4 persons. Question number 3, answer is option C. Question number 4, who sits opposite to T? Opposite to T here, V, who sits? V. So question number 4, answer is what? Option B. Question number 5, who sits immediate right of S? Immediate right of S here are Monaco. Friends, check are Monaco. So the one who likes Monaco. So friends, question number 5, answer is option D. Question number 6 to 10. Question number 6 to 10. Here again questions are from syllogism. Take your fifth one, sixth one. Sige. Given statement is one. Only a few book are look. Friends, that means some book is a look. Some book is a here look. Some book is a look at the same time some part of book is not look. Next one, some look are cook. Now look, some part of look is a cook, some look are here cook. Next, no hook is a cook. Now friends, okay, the given is part, no hook is a cook. Yes, leave it. Now take first conclusion, some hook being book is a possibility. Friends, okay, book and hook relation is part, we can't say, but here they mention possibility, then first one is true. Next, all cook are book, all cook are book. Friends, cook and book relation is part, we can't say, this one is simply wrong. Next one, some book are cook, some book are cook. Book and cook relation is part, we can't say, this one is wrong. Then answer is part, only one follows. Only one follows means one check option here. Only conclusion number 1 follows. Answer is what? Option B. So question number 6, answer is option B. Question number 7, friends, check here. Given statements. All Mumbai are Delhi. Friends, check here. Mumbai. Sige. Mumbai is all Mumbai is a Delhi. All Mumbai is a Delhi. Next, each Delhi. Each means what? All. All Delhi is a Chennai. All Delhi is a here Chennai. Next, no Chennai is a Goa. Yes, friends, check here. No Chennai is a here Goa. Next one is what? Some Goa are Patna. Some Goa are here Patna. Yes, friends, take first conclusion. See, some Patna are Delhi. Some Patna are Delhi. Friends, Patna and Delhi relation is fine. We can't say. Then some Patna are Delhi. No chance. Then first one is wrong. Second one, no Mumbai is Goa. No Mumbai is Goa. Friends, check here. Here the given is what? No Chennai is Goa. No Chennai is Goa means here Delhi and Mumbai is inside. That means no Delhi is Goa, no Mumbai is Goa. So no Mumbai is Goa means second one is true. Third one, some Chennai being Patna is a possibility. Friends, check here. Here we know no Goa is a Chennai. No Goa is Chennai means in Goa here Patna is some part. That means some part of Patna is not Chennai. Some part of Patna is not Chennai. Then some Chennai being Patna is a possibility. Friend, this some part of Chennai being Patna is a possibility. Yes or no? Yes. Then third one also true. Then answer is what? Second and third is true. Only second and third is true means one check option here. Second and conclusion 3 is follows means answer is what? Option A. Next statement. Each row is a snow. Each means what? Here all row is a snow. All row is a snow. Next. Some snow are bow. Friends, check snow. Some snow is a bow. Next, no bow is a tow. Yes, friends, check. Now take your first conclusion. Some snow are tow. Some snow are tow. Friends, here we know no bow is a tow means in bow here snow some part. That means some part of snow is not tow. But some snow are tow means first one is what? Wrong. Second one. Some row are bow. Friends, row and bow relation is what? We can't say. Then this one also wrong. Third one. Some row are tow. Some row are tow. Friends, here row and tow relation is what? We can't say. Then third one also wrong. Then answer is what? None follows. Answer is what? None of the conclusion follows. Answer is option C. Question number 8, option C. Question number 9. None car is far. Yes, friends, check. None means what? No. That means no car is far. No car is a far. Yes. Next one. Only few are tar. Before that, only few tar are car. So friends, again, some tar is a car, some tar is a car. At the same time, some part of tar is not car. Some part of tar is not car. Next, only few are tar. Only few are tar. That means some war is a tar, some war is a tar. At the same time, some part of war is not tar. Some part of war is not tar. Yes, leave it. Take first conclusion. Some tar being far is a possibility. Friends, check it. Tar and far relation is one. Here no car is a far. No car is a far means in car, tar is some part. Some part of tar is not far. But what about remain tar and far? We can't say. Then the some part of tar is being far is a possibility. Correct. Yes, first one is true. See here. The some part of tar is not far. What about remain tar and far? We can't say. Then the some part of tar being far is a possibility. Correct. Go for next one. Some car are war. Some car are war. Friends, here car and war relation is found. We can't say. Then second one is wrong. Third one. Some far are war. Some far are war. Friends, far and war relation is found. We can't say. This one also wrong. Then answer is what? Only one follows. Only one follows means answer is what? Option B. Question number 9. Option B. Question number 10. Some cat are dog. Friends, take care. Cat. Some part of cat is a dog. Some part of cat is a dog. Next. All dog is a bat. All dog is a bat. Each bat is a mat. Each means what? All. That means all bat is a mat. Next one is what? Here. This is the given statement. Take conclusion. No cat is a bat. Simply wrong. Why means? Given all statements are positive, no chance for negative. Otherwise, no cat is bad means what? All cats are not bad. But here we know already some cat is a bad. First one is wrong. Second one. All cat being mat is a possibility. Friends, we know only some cat is a mat. All cat is a mat means what? We can't say. Then all cat being mat is a possibility. True. Yes. Now, second one is true. That means answer is what? Only two follows. Only two follows means answer is what? Option B. Question number 10. Option B. Friends, again, question number 11 to 14. Here the again question is from sitting arrangement. They given certain number of persons. Yes. Certain number of persons were seated in a linear row facing south. Friends, they are facing south only. The information about only few of them is known. No two persons were seated together according to the given information. That means there is no chance to say two persons are together and two persons are together. Leave it. Next one. That means there is no chance for adjacent. That means neighbors. Leave it. Now six persons were seated between E and F. Next. F was seated second right of C. Four persons were seated between A and C. B was seated exactly between D and F. Number of persons seated between A and B was twice that of number of persons were seated to the right of D. B is seated left of E. A was seated at the end. A was seated at the end. Yes. Now, friends, check here. Friends, take first point. Six persons were seated between. Six persons were seated between E and F. Between E and F, here we are having six members. Here we are having six members. Yes. Now, friends, check here. Friends, check here. E next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different spot here F, otherwise F 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different spot here E. Between E and F, here we are having six members. We don't know which one is left side, which one is right side. See here. So between E and F, six members. Otherwise F and E is six members. Leave it. Next one. F was seated second right of C. F was seated second right of C. When they are facing south, which one is part? Left hand, which one is part? Right hand. Now F was seated second right of C. F was seated second right of C. Now in this case also F was seated second right of C. They are facing south. For C, first right, second right. Leave it. Next one. Friends, four persons seated between A and C. Between A and C here we are having four members. A and C we are having four members. Now C 1, 2, 3, 4 different spot A. But our requirement is what? A was seated at the end. A was seated at the end. That means here C 1, 2, 3, 4 here. A no chance. Now C 1, 2, 3, 4 different spot here. A. So four persons were seated between A and four persons were seated between C and A. Now in this case, four persons were seated between A and C and A and C. Now friends, okay, C 1, 2, 3, 4 A no chance. That means C now 1, 2, 3, 4 different spot here A. Between A and C, here we are having four people. Here we are having four people. Yes. Next one. B was seated exactly between D and F. Now, friends, again, B was seated exactly between D and F. B was seated exactly between D and F. Next. Number of persons sitting between A and B. Number of persons sitting between A and B was twice that of number of people who were seated right of D, and yes. So friends, here number of people sitting between A and B is twice that of the number of people who are sitting right of D. Yes, leave it. Next, B was seated left of E. B was seated left of E. So friends, here the mention is what? B was seated left of E and B was seated left of E. But our requirement is what? B is exactly between D and F. So B was seated left of E and B was seated left of A. So B is compulsory between D and F. This one is F. Now B is left of A. Suppose friends, okay, if I take funny spot here B, funny spot here B, this funny spot here D. Friends, no chance to take immediates and no chance to take immediates. Why means they given already condition is what? Friends, here no person was, no two persons were seated together according to the given information. Yes. Now friends, okay, if I take here, suppose here, friends, here B is left of E means here B no chance. Why means adjacent. So our requirement is what? B is exactly between D and F means this one is F. So B is compulsory middle of D and F. B is compulsory middle of D and F. Suppose if I take funny spot here B, funny spot B. Now the funny spot here D. Now B is exactly between F and D. Yes or no? So here between D and B one member, B and F also one member. Yes. Next one is what friends here? Our requirement is what? In this case take here. B is left of D, left of E. B is left of A. Suppose in this side take members. B is left of E means. Now B here only no chance. Why means immediate no chance and immediate no chance. So if I take a different spot here B, different spot B. But our requirement is what? D is exactly between B and F. B is exactly between D and F. So if I take a different spot B. Now so friends here B is exactly between D and F. Between B and F how many persons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 members. Now B and D also 8 members. Suppose if I take B and D is 8 members and B and D is 8 members. Suppose friends check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is funny spot. This funny spot here D. Funny spot here D. 2, 4. Next funny spot here one more members. Totally spot 7 members. F friends check here. Next, one more clue point is what? The given is what? The number of persons sitting between A and B is twice that of number of persons sitting right of B. So between A and B, how many persons here we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So between A and B, 8 members means then right of D, we are having 4 members. D facing south, first 1, 2, 3, different spot. Here 4. Now check condition. Number of persons sitting between A and B is twice that of number of people sitting to the right of D. Between A and B, 8 members, then right of D, 4 members. Yes. Now, in this case, between A and B, how many persons here we are having? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 members. Then right of D, D is facing south and then these are all are right of D only. There is no chance to satisfy this condition. Then this one is wrong. Yes. So this is the only correct one. Yes. Now take the questions here. Take the here questions. Now friends check here. Question number 11 and how many persons were seated in the row? How many persons were seated in the row? Yes friends check here. Now friends check here. How many persons were seated in the row? Count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 12. Number of persons sitting between E and F was same as. E and F. How many persons we are having? 3, 6 members. E and F is 6 members. And now check here. A and B. Between A and B, how many members here? 3, 6, 8 member. No chance. Next. C and A. Between C and A. 4 members. No chance. B and C. Between B and C. 3 members. No chance. A and F. Check again. Between A and F. 2, 4, 6 members. Yes. Now, number of persons sitting between. So here, number of persons sitting between. Here, E and F is 6 member. Then E and F also 6 members. Yes. Then answer is what? Option D. Answer is what? Option D. Question number 13. If M was seated immediate right of A. M is immediate right of A. They are facing south and now M is immediate right of A. Then how many persons were sitting between D and M? Between D and M, how many members are there? Between D and M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 persons. Yes. Answer is what? 9. Question number 13. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 14. Which of the following statement is false? Our requirement is what? False and take care. 3 persons were sitting between D and F. Between D and F, 3 members. Between D and F, 3 members. This one is correct. Our requirement is what? False. Leave it. B was seated second right of F. B second right of F. Yes, they are facing south. This one is also correct. C was seated tall left of D. C was seated tall left of D. For D, first left, second left, third left, fourth left. Yeah. C was seated tall left of B. This one is wrong. This one is wrong. So which of the following is wrong means only C. Only C means answer is for option B. Question number 14, option B. Question number 15 to 17, friends, directly take the question. What is the code for tackle? What is the code for here? Tackle. Yes, friends, check here. One check here, tackle is present in which line? Yes, friends, see here. Here, tackle is present in only third line. Only third line. That means only information is for tackle, then only code in third line. Now, friends, check here. Only code in third line. LM remaining lines, it is there, not there. TC. TC, there, eliminate here TC. Next, GC. GC also there, eliminate. DP. DP also there, eliminate. So only information is tackle, only code is what? LM. So answer is what? LM. So question number 15, option A. Question number 16, if think about economic is coded as HK, CD, BT, what is the code for term activity? What is the code for term activity? Friends, check here, term is present in which line? First take here, term and. See here, first line it is not there, second line it is not there, see here, second line it is present, term. Next, remaining lines whether it is present, now this line also added. So, remaining lines it is not there. That means, only information is for term, then only code. GC, GC eliminated, MJ, MJ eliminated. Next, HK, that means here HK, HK also eliminated. The term is there here? No. That means here, only information is for term, only code is for LS. So what the code for term means? Answer is for LS. Answer is for LS. Next, activity. Friends, activity is present in which lines? One check here. Activity is present in here only fourth line. Only fourth line. In remaining lines it is not there. That means now only information is activity, only code. MJ eliminated, BT. Next, TC also eliminated. Next, SG. SG, if is what? Here BT. BT, here also BT. That means here SG. That means here SG. So activity code is what? SG. Activity code is what? SG. So answer is what? LS, SG. LS, SG means LS, SG. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 16, option C. Question number 17. If global term initiative is coded as EL, LS, TC, then what the code for global India? What the code for here? Global India. Friends, check here. The given is what the code for here? Global India. Friends, first take global and first take global. Global is present in which line? Only here. Only here. So only information is global, then only code. Friends, this line also they give me. Then we are going to check first line, second line, third line, fourth line. This information also on. Then now friends, check here. Only information is global. Now only code. Eliminate remaining codes. TC, TC eliminated. LS, LS also eliminated. That means global code is what? Friends, check here. Global code is what? Here. EL. See, already we are having global. Global code is what? EL. Now India. India is present in only, sorry, first line present, second line also present. First line, second line common code is what? Z by MJ, KU, DP. Here we are having MJ. Here also we are having MJ. Next, last line also we are having MJ. Here also we are having India. That means what the code for India means what? MJ. Then answer is what? ELMJ. ELMJ and ELMJ. So answer is what? Option C. Friends, here codes are not necessarily in the same order. So question number 17, option C. Next, question number 18 to 22. Friends, check here. A to H are 8 neighbors who lives on a 5-story building. Each person had a painted main gate of his house with different colors: black, white, green, yellow, and orange, red, blue, and pink. Leave. Next, the ground floor is number 1, topmost floor is what? Number 2, and so on. Sorry, ground floor is number 1, above it is 2, topmost floor is 5. Not more than 2% lives on the same floor. That means on each floor, maximum we are having 2 members. Maximum we are having 2 members. Yes, leave it. So friends, total here we are having 5 floors. See here, 1, next 2, next 3, 4, different spot here 5. Yes, total here we are having 5 floors. Leave it. Next one. So friends, check here. Next point is what? See here. H has painted his main gate with white color. Now H is painted his main gate with here white color. His main gate with here white color. Next. Next one is what? And lives above the person who has painted his gate with green color. Now H is above the green color. Next one. A D lives with one neighbor. F1 check it. One neighbor, and he has painted his main gate with pink color. F1 check it. D lives with one neighbor. D lives with one neighbor. That means D having one neighbors only, and D having one neighbor. That means suppose if I take here D means D above one neighbor, below also we are having one neighbor. Next, Next one is what? Next D lives with one neighbor and he has painted his main gate with pink color. Yes, D gate is painted with here pink color. Next one. So next one is what? See here, one floor is there between C and D. Between C and D, here we are having one floor. Here we are having one floor. A lives immediately below F floor. Friends, here the next one is what? A lives immediately below the F floor. A lives immediately below the F floor and likes yellow color. Here unqualifies here. A likes here yellow color. A likes here yellow color. Leave it. Next one. C lives 3 floors above E. C is 3 floors above E. Yes, friends, here 3 floors means for third floor. For E, first floor, second floor, third floor. C is 3 floors above E. Next. The neighbor who lives immediately above the floor G has painted his gate with yellow color. Yes. The one who lives immediately above G is painted with yellow color. Yellow color is fixed for here. A. That means A is immediately above G. Next one. See here. E lives alone. Friends, they given is what? Here. E is alone and E is alone. Next one. So friends, here the one who lives middle floor lives alone. Now they given is what? The one who lives in the middle floor. Total here we are having 5 floors. Middle means what? Third. So this one is what? Alone. This one is what? Alone. The one who lives in the third floor is here lives alone. Lives alone. Yes, live. F has painted is main gate with green color. Yes. Now F is painted is main gate with green color. Is main gate with green color. Next. And lives with the person who has painted is main gate with blue color. F is living with blue color. F is living with here blue color. Yes, leave it. Next one. Next. Friends, again, only one floor is there between the floor where the main gate is painted yellow. Next, and the floor where the main gate is painted red. Between yellow and red, here we are having one floor. See here. Between yellow and red, here we are having one floor. Leave it. Next point. Friends, again. The neighbors who lives alone on their floors have painted their gates with yellow and black color. Yes. Friends, again. The again clue point is what? See here. The neighbors who live alone on their floors have painted their gates with yellow and black color. Yes. So yellow and black color. That means, friends, again, those one who is going to paint yellow color, he is living alone. That means here, A is living alone. A is living alone. Yes. Next one is what? Those one who is painting black color also living alone. So friends, total we are having 5 floors. They give total how many members? They give total 8 members. So that means here we are going to get A alone. That means here E alone. That means 2 floors are one member. That means total 2 floors, 2 members. Remain 3 floors, each floor 2 members. Total is what? 6 members. Here alone 2 members, 8 members. That means here yellow and black color. These two are fixed for only those one who is staying alone. So yellow is for A. Next. Here E also alone means now E possibility is what? Black color. E possibility is what? Black color. Yes, leave it. Next one. The person who lives D likes either red or orange color. Now, with the D here, one more person is living. With D, one more person is living. But he likes red or orange. Red or orange. Yes. This is the given entire data. And the given entire data. Suppose, if I take here, E is alone. If I take here, E and if I take here, E. C is 3 floors above E. E. Next, 1, 2, 3. Different. So, see here. If I take here, E and 1, 2, 3. C, is there any chance? No. Next, suppose friends check here. If I take here E and if I take here E, now 1, 2, 3. Different is part here C. Different is part C. See here. If I take here E here chance and if I take here E means 1, 2, 3 C no chance. Why means C is 3 floors above E. If I take here E means now 1, 2, 3. Different is part here C. Between C and D here we are having one floor. Now C 1 floor D. But third floor person is compulsory staying alone, but D is staying with one more person. See here. The person who lives with the D, that means D is lives with one more person. That means here, third floor only one member. That means for this possibility also no chance. That means for E possibility is what? Take first floor. For E possibility is what? First floor. E first floor means now our requirement is what? C is 3 floors above E. For E 1, 2, 3. Different is what? Here C. C is 3 floors above E. C is 3 floors above E. Now E is staying alone. E is staying alone. Next E likes here black color. E likes here black color. Why means? Friends, I already given it. Yellow color and black color. Those one who is painted yellow and black are staying alone. Next one is what? Between C and D 1%. C. Next 1%. This one is what? Here D. This one is what? Here D. Now here D likes pink color. D likes here pink color. The one who is living with D, the one who is living with D, like say the red or orange, red or orange. Here red chance, here red chance, or orange also chance, orange also chance. Next. Now A is staying alone. A is staying alone means for A possibility spot. Only possibility spot, third floor. One more figure. E alone. Now third floor also alone. That means for A possibility spot, third floor. A is third floor means now A likes here yellow. A likes here yellow. Immediately above A is what? Here F. Now F likes here green color. F likes here green color. But F is staying with the one who likes blue color. That means C is a blue color. C is a blue color. Yes. Now friends, here next the given is one. See here, there is one floor between yellow and red. Yellow and red. Between yellow and red, one floor. Yellow, one, red. No. Yellow, one. Different spot here. Red. Different spot here. Red. That means those one who is staying with the D does not like red. Why means red is the possibility. Now this one is spot orange. F is just above A is just above G. That means for G possibility spot orange. For G possibility spot orange. For G no chance to take with E. Why means here E is staying with alone. Now D neighbors are alone. This one is alone. This one also alone. Yes. Next one. H like white color is above green color. Now H like a white color. H like a white color is above green color. Is above green color. Yes. So when this is the given entire information. Entire information. Now remaining person is what? See here, A completed. Now remaining is what? B and now that means here B likes here red color. A next B, C next D next E F G completed. Yes. So friends here now take questions on. Now take here question. See here. Question number 18. Question number 18. Who lives immediately above E? Immediately above E. Who lives? Immediately above E. D and G. D and G. So answer is what? D and G. Answer is option D. Next one. Question number 19. What is the color of B house main door? B. B main door color and red color. Yes. Answer is what? Red. Question number 19. Option A. Question number 20. Who has color main door of his house with yellow color? Who is colored with yellow color? A. Question number 20. Option A. Question number 21. Who lives on the floor number 4? Floor number 4. Yes. C and F. C and F. Answer is what? Option D. Question number 22. Who among the following lives alone on one of the floor of the building? Here, E lives alone. E also lives alone. E and A. So E and A means answer is what? Option E. Question number 22. Option E. M is the father of N. Here again question is from blood relation. Friends take here. M is the father of N. M is the father of N. Next. But N is not his son. So N is not his son means what? N is daughter. N is his daughter. Yes. Next one. See here, P is the daughter of N. Now, the given is what? P is the daughter of N. P is the daughter of N. Next. Friends here, P is the daughter of N. Q is the spouse of M. Q is the spouse. Here, M is male means now Q is female. Next. R is brother of N. Now, friends here, R is brother of N. Next. S is the daughter of R. S is the daughter of R. Friends here, the given is what? S is the daughter of R. T is the spouse of R. Now T and R both are couples. T and R both are couples. Now R is plus means T is minus. T is minus. Next, U is the father of T. U is the father of T. Friends here the given is what? U is the father of T. Next, who is the grandmother of S? Who is the grandmother of S? So friends here, who is the grandmother of S here? Yes, grandmother is what? Q. Yes, grandmother is what? Q. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 23. Option D. Question number 24 to 26. There are 9 persons P to X are sitting in a triangular table. 2 persons seated each side of the table and 1 person is seated each corner of the table. Yes, friends check here. Friends, totally we are having 9 members. Totally here we are having 9 members. See here. Totally here we are having 9 members. Out of 9 members, here 2 members are sitting on the edges. Next, 1 member is sitting on the corner. 1 member is sitting on the corner. Yes, leave it. Next. So friends here, next 2 persons are sitting at the edges and 1 is sitting at the corner of the table. All are facing the center. All are facing the center. Leave it. Next point. Friends, R sits second right of V, who is immediate next of X. See here. R is second right of V and V is immediate next of S. Leave it. Next, S sit at one of the corner. Take this one. Now, S is sitting at one of the corner. S is sitting at one of the corner. Next, but not adjacent to R and X. Now S is not adjacent to R and X. R and X. Leave it. Next, go for next point. See. So friends, here next usage immediate next of R and three places away from S. Now here and qualifies here U. UV is three places away from U. UV is three places away from S and see here. UV is three places away from S. So for S, 1, 2, 3 different spot here U. UV is three places away from S. Otherwise, U here also chance. U here also chance. That means take here one more possibility. Friends, okay. Total here we are having 9 members. Next, on each edge here we are having 2 members. Corners here we are having 1 member. Now take funny spot here. Yes. Now they given is spot UV is 3 places away from. Yes. UV is 3 places away from. Yes. So for U here chance. For U here also chance. Leave it. Next one. So friends, see here. Next point is what? See here. P sets second right of U. P is second right of U. So friends, here U facing inside. First right, second right is what? Here P. PE second right of U. U facing inside. First right, second right is what? Here P. PE second right of U. Next one is what, friends, here there are two persons in between Q1W and Q1T. Yes friends, here between Q1W here we are having two members. Next one is what? Q1T also here we are having two members. Yes. See here, that means here Q is. See here, for here, T and W here Q is compulsory middle. Why means between Q1W two members, Q1W two members. Now Q1T also two members may, then Q is compulsory middle of T and W. Leave it. Next one. The one who sits second left of T is not adjacent to W. Next. Both S and V are not adjacent to W. S and V are not adjacent to W. Yes. Now. So friends, check here. Our clue point is what? SA second, sorry, R sits second right of V. Next. V is immediate next of X. V is immediate next of X. Next one is what? See here. U sits immediate next of R and UV is immediate next of R. So UV is immediate next of R means now friends, check here. UV is immediate next of R. So friends, here for R here chance. Next for R here also chance. For R here also chance. Next our requirement is what, friends, check here. R sits second right of V. Suppose friends, here if I take here R and if I take here R is second right of here V, no chance. Suppose if I take here R means now R is second right of V. R is second right of V. Next one is part V is immediate next of X. That means V and X both are immediates. But our requirement is what? S is not neighbor of R and X. But here S is neighbor of X. Then this possibility no chance. This possibility no chance. Yes. Now friends, check here. Our requirement is what? Friends, check here. R is second right of V. R is second right of V. And V is immediate of X. V is immediate of X. Next, UV is immediate next of R. UV is immediate next of R and that means for R here chance, for R here also chance, R here also chance. Suppose if I take here R, our requirement is what? R is friends, here R is second right of V. So R is second right of V. If I take here V, R is second right of V. Yes, possibility. Next one. So R is second right of V. Next, V is immediate next of X. V is immediate next of X. That means here X here chance, here also chance. Yes. That means for this point there is chance to get answer and there is chance to get answer. Then don't take this point. I will eliminate possibility. Then we will take answer and see here. Now if I take here R is immediate of U. R is immediate of U. Then R here also chance. R is second right of V. R is second right of V. If I take here V, now R is second right of V. Now V and X are immediates. V and X are immediate. Yes. Now, but this condition is there a chance to take between T and Q two members, Q1, W also two members. Is there a chance to take? No. These three are the remaining empty places. So no chance. That means for R, this possibility no chance. That means this is the only possibility for R. Now this one is for here R. R is second right of V. R is second right of V. Yes. Now take this point. Between T and Q, two members, Q and W also two members, Q and W also two members. Yes. Now, suppose and check here. That means for T and W, here Q is compulsory middle. Q is compulsory middle. So here, suppose if I take one spot here Q, this one spot here Q. Q1T is here between Q1 W two members are Q1T also there is chance to take two members. There is chance to take two members. Yes. Suppose if I take different part T, different part here T. Now between T and Q, two members. Now Q and W also different part, two members. Different also two members. But the given point is part the one who sits second left of T is not adjacent to W. Second left of T, 1, 2. This is not adjacent to W, but adjacent to W means no chance. That means now from check here. Take here W1, take here W. Now different spot here T, different spot here T. So two persons sit between Q and W at the same time. Two persons sit between T and Q. T and Q. Yes. Next one is part. V is immediate of V is immediate next to X. V is immediate next to X. Those one who is sitting second left of T. Second left of T is not neighbor of W. Is not neighbor of W. Yes. So this is the given arrangement. And now take questions here. Friends, here question number 24. Which of the following statement is true? Now, U said second right of V. UV second right of V. No, this one is wrong. Next. W said third left of X. WV is third left of X. No. For X, first left, second left, third left, fourth left. So second one, no. Third one. S said third left of V. S is third left of V. V facing inside. First left, second left, third left. Yes. This is the correct one. This is the correct one. Yes. Then don't go with this one. Again, they given both C and D. Check for fourth one. Q sits second right of W. Q sits second right of W. W facing inside. First right, second right is what? Yes. That means here they mention here Q me, then no chance. Then only answer is what? Option C. So question number 24, option C. Question number 25. If all the persons sit alphabetical order clockwise starting from P. Starting from P. Yes, one check here. P. Next. Next one is part. Q. Next one is part. R. Next one is part. Yes. Next one is part. T. Next one is part. Here U, next V, W, next one is part here X. Then how many persons changed their positions except P? Yes. So friends, here except P, how many persons changed their positions and how many persons changed their positions? Yes. So one check here, before and after same is part, only T having same and only T having same. So that means one person position is same, one person is position is same. Next friends, here one person position is same. Next P except P also same. Otherwise take here. This one is different. 1, different 2, 3. Next 4, 5, 6, 7. Then answer is what? 7 members. Answer is what? 7 members. Question number 25. Answer is what? Option D. Otherwise. Here before and after arrangement position is same. Only T. Here P also accept. That means 2 members are accepted out of 9. 9 minus 2 is what? 7 members. Answer is what? Option D. Question 26. In which of the following combination first person is sit adjacent to second and third person? X is adjacent to V and T. X is adjacent to V and T. No, first one. V is adjacent to U and X. V is adjacent to U and X. No. UV is adjacent to W and R. Yes. UV is adjacent to first person is adjacent to second and third. Yes. Then answer is what? Option C. In the given word, imported. Yes. From left to right, all the vowels are replaced with next letter. Vowel is replaced with next letter. That means vowel means part plus 1. Consonant means part here minus 1. Next. Then what will be the fifth letter to the word? Fifth letter of the word from the left hand. If newly formed letters are arranged in the again alphabetical order. So again you should arrange alphabetical order means you should convert entire word. Now I is vowel. I plus 1 is what? J. M consonant. Consonant means what? Minus 1. L. Next P consonant minus 1 is what? O. Next O is vowel then plus 1. P. R consonant minus 1. Q. T minus 1. E. F. D. C. After that again arrange in the alphabetical order. That means lowest one is what? Yes, C. After C next one. F. Next one is what? C completed. F completed. After F next one is what? Here J. Next one is what? Here L. Next one is what? Here L. After L, next one is what? Here O. Next one is what? P. Next one is what? Q. Next one is what? Yes. Then question is what? Which of the following is fifth from left hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth from left hand is what? O. So question number 27. Answer is option B. Question number 28. If it is possible to make a meaningful word with the first, take here given word is what? Inheritance. So first letter, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, first letter. First one is what? I. Third is what? Here H. Next one is what? Fifth. Fifth one is what? Here R. 11th one is what? Here E. So if it is a friends again, If it is possible to make meaningful word with the first, third, next, fifth, and 11th letters of the word inheritance from left hand using each letter only once, then which of the following will be the third letter of the word? If no such word can be made, then give X as your answer. If more than one word can be framed, then Y as your answer. Then by using this one, which one we are able to frame? Here, higher, H-I-R-E, higher. Next one is for here, H-E-I-R, here. Next, here means what? Successor, successor. Yes, that means total here. How many possible? Total here. Two words are possible. And total two words are possible. If more than one means what? Answer is what? Y. So answer is what? Option C. These type of questions are completely based upon your English. Question number 29. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word objects? Yes, one check it. The given is what? OB. Next, JE. F one is what? CT. Yes. Each of which has many letters between them in the English alphabet, both forward and stay here. O after O what will come? P, Q, R, S, T. That means here in alphabetical form after O P, Q, R, S, T. Pair is math. That means O to T is one pair. Next one is after T you leave. B next C next D E F no. J next one is what? K L M N no. After E F no. Next C no. T no. Take reverse. S T. S T. Next after T no letter no need to check. Next C. D next E F no. E F no. J no. B no. That means forward one reverse one. Then answer is what? Two pairs. Answer is option C. Friends here question number 30. Question number 30. There are 6 persons P Q R S T and U have different ages. Yes, friends here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 members. P is only elder than U. Yes, friends here. P is only elder than U1. P is only elder than U. That means this one is what? P. This one is what? U. P is only elder than U. That means P is the only elder person than U1. Elder person than U. Leave it. Next one. R is elder than Q. Now R is elder than Q. Next, elder means what? The one who born in the first. That person is what? Elder. So R is elder than Q but younger than T. That means here R is younger than T. That means here T is elder than R. Next one. See here R is elder than Q but younger than T. Who is not the eldest? That means T is not the eldest. T is not the eldest. That means for T here no chance. Then T next R different is what? Here Q. Now remaining is what? Friends check here. P Q next R remaining is what? Yes and remaining is what? Yes. Now leave it. Age of S and P are 55, 25 respectively. Respectively means what? S is 55, P is 25. S is 55, now P is 25. Yes, leave it. Now, question is what? If the age of R is 35, friends check here. Age of the R is 35. Now, then what may be the sum of the ages of R and T? Sum of the ages of R and T. So, sum of the ages of R and T. That means T age is between 35 and 55. T age is between 35 and 55 and yes. Now friends suppose friends here sum of the ages of R and T. Suppose friends take first option is what? 76. R age is what? 35. Now 76 minus 35 is what? 36. R is 36. This one is possibility. Now this one is 75. That means R plus T is what? R plus T is what? Here 75 and R plus T is what? 75. Sum is what? Here 75. So R plus T is 75 means now R is what? Here 35. R is 35 means now T is what? 40. T is between 35 40. This one also chance. First two options are chance means no need to check remaining. Why means all of these are possibilities. All of these are possibilities. So answer is what? Option E. Question number 31 to 33. Here again questions are from inequalities. Take your given statement. B greater than or equal to E less than N, less than Q, less than R equal to S. S greater than E, conclusion number 1. S greater than E, Q less than B. S and E, one check here, S and E. Less than, equal to. Result is what? Less than. So here, E less than, yes, E less than, yes. Then S is greater than E. First one is true. Second one, Q and B. Q and B less than is what? Greater than or equal to less than. Greater than or equal to less than both are opposite. We can't say. Then answer is what? Only one follows. Question number 31, option A. Question number 32, take your given statement. P greater than or equal to Q, Q greater than R less than E equal to G greater than N. Conclusion number 1, P greater than G. Second one, R greater than G. P and G. P and G less than is what? Greater than or equal to, greater than, less than. Both are opposite, can't say. Second one, R and N. Check here between R and N. What are the symbols here? Less than, greater than, opposite, can't say. Simple answer is what? Neither one nor two. Both are wrong. Question number 33. Friends, here given statement is what? A greater than S greater than P greater than O equal to A. First one, P and A. Greater than, equal to, greater than. So P greater than A. P greater than A. But here they mention greater than or equal to E means first one is false. Second one, S and A. Greater than, equal to, greater than. So S greater than A. Second one is true. Then answer is what? Only second one, 33. Option B. Question 34 to 38. Check your question. Question number 34. How many meaningful English words can be found from the letters of the first, second, and fifth words from the left using them in different sequence only once? Yes. So here they given RYT. Next, first word. Next one is what? Second word. Second word is what? ONP. Next one is what? Fifth word. Fifth word is what? RNU. Then, so here by using these words, meaningful words. By using this one, see here, we are able to frame. Try. Yes. One word we can able to frame. By using O and P, we can't say, we are not able to frame any word. By using this one here, run, RUN, run. Next, URN, earn. Next, that means here two words are possible. Yes. So here by using these three letters, how many meaningful words possible means what? Three words possible. One is what? Try, run. Next one is what? URN, earn. Next, that means three words means answer is what? Option D. Question number 34. Option D. Question number 35. If in each of the given words, each of the consonant is changed to previous, see here. Consonant means what? -1. Vowel means what? Vowel means what? +1. In the English alphabetical series, how many words thus formed will there be? Only one vowel. Only one vowel and only one vowel in the word. See here. Check here direct. See here. R-1. There is no chance to get any vowel. Next. Y-1 is what? Consonant means what? -1. So R-1 is what? Here 18-1, 17Q. Y-1, no chance to get vowel. T-1 also no chance to get vowel. First one, no chance. Next, O. +1 is what? P. One is what? Plus P. N -1, M. P. Next, -1 is what? Here, O. Friends, check here. M is what? Here, O. In the given word, only one vowel. Next one. Yes, consonant -1 is what? Here, R. U +1, V. F -1 is what? Here, E. That means here also we are having one vowel. Next, S -1, no chance to get any consonant. R-1, no chance to get consonant. N-1, no chance to get consonant. Sorry, no chance to get vowel and no chance to get vowel. See here, friends, our requirement is what? Consonant means -1, vowel means what? +1. So in the given word, how many words having only one vowel? For this one, no chance. For this one, no chance. Why means S-1, consonant -1, no chance to get vowel. R-1, N-1 also no chance. Check for next one. R-1, no chance to get vowel. N-1, no chance to get. U+1 is what? V, no chance to get vowel. That means only two words. One is what? O and P. Next one is what? Here, SU. Here. That means total two words. Then answer is what? Option C. Yes. Question number 36. If in each of the words all the alphabets are arranged in reverse English alphabetical order within the word, how many words will remain same? So the alphabets are if in each of the words all the alphabets are arranged in the reverse English alphabetical order within the word. Yes. Reverse order. That means here TYR. Next one is what? PON. Next USF. Next one is what? SRN. Next one is what? URN. Then, so which one is not changed? Which one is not changed? First one change, second one change, third one change, next fourth one. See here this one is same. This one is same. Then answer is what? Only one. Question number 36. Option A. Question number 37. If the given words are arranged in the order, they would appear in the English dictionary order from right to left. Right to left. Then right to left, arrange the alphabetical order. Arrange the alphabetical order. Yes. So first which one will comes? R O S S R. First O will comes. O N P. Next. After O, next one is what? R. Starting with R, two letters. R Y, here R N. Then R N will comes. R N U. Next R Y T. Next one is what? Yes. Then U R U. Then first R will come. Then S R N. Next one is what? S U F. Then question is what? Which of the following will be second from the left hand? Second from left hand is what? S R N. So S R N means answer is what? Option E. Question number 37. Option E. Question number 38. How many letters are there in English alphabetical series between the first letter of the third word from left hand? Third word from left hand is what? Here, S U F. First letter is what? Yes. Next, and the last letter of the second word from right hand. From right hand second word is what? S or N. Last letter is what? Here. N. Last letter is what? Here. N. So between how many letters are there in the English alphabetical order? So friends again, N is what? 14. S is what? Here. 19. So friends again, next. So this one is what? N. Next. 14. F1 is what? 15, 16, 17, 18. That means total how many letters here we are having? Total we are having 9 letters. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. Total here we are having 4 letters. Yes. So friends, answer is what? 4. Question number 38. Option B. Between S and N, how many letters are there in the English alphabetical? After N, next O, P, Q, R. Next one is what? Yes. But our requirement is what? Between S and N, total we are having 4 letters. Question number 39 to 40. 39 to 40. Check here given one. Point C is 12 meter east of D. C is 12 meter east of D. C is 12 meter east of D. Next. D is 16 meter north of H, which is means for D is 16 meter north of H. D is 16 meter north of H. Next, point F is 52 meter west of E. We don't know about F and E, leave it. Point I is 30 meter south of point J, leave. Point E is 10 meter south of point C. Now, once again. Point E is 10 meter south of point C. Next. Point F is 52 meter west of E. F is 52 meter west of E. Now, once again. F is 52 meter west of C. Once again. F is 52 meter west of E. Sorry. F is 52 meter west of E. So, once again. F is 52 meter west of E. This one is for 12. Now remind this one is for here 40. This one is for here 40. Next. Point I is 30 meter south of point J. Leave it. Next one. Point J is 34 meter east of point H. Point J is 34 meter east of point H. So once again from point H, see here, point J is 34 meter. Point J is 34 meter east of point H. This one is for 12. Now this one remaining is for here 22. Yes, leave it. Next one is for see here, point I is 30 meter south of point J. I is 30 meter south of point J. I is 30 meter south of point J. Check here. I is 30 meter south of point J. Next one is for point E is completed. Next point F is 20 meter north of point G. So here point F is 20 meter north of point G. F is 20 meter north of G and F is 20 meter north of G. This one is part 10. Now this one is part remaining 6. Our requirement is part F is 20 meter north of G. Now F is 20 meter. This one is part north of G. Now friends again. 1 minute wait. F is 20 meter north of G. F is 20 meter north of G means now this one is part 6. This one also compulsory 6. Now remind this one is part here 14. This one is part here 14. 14 plus 6 is part 20. Yes, leave it. Take your question. Point C is which direction from point F? C is which direction from F and C is which direction from F? From F here east, west, north, south. So here C is which direction means with respect to F answer is part here northeast. Answer is part northeast. Yes. Question number 39 option C. Question number 40 which of the following point is not northeast of J? Not northeast of point G and not northeast of point G. This is the point G. J. Friends here point J. This one is part point J. Now J is northeast of and Y means friends total is what 30 and total is what 30. Now these two are in line. Now these two are in line. Now G is down only. That means here J is northeast of G, but our requirement is what not. Next one C. C is northeast of G. Yes. Next one D. D is northeast of G. Yes. I. Friends here I is 30 meter. This one is down and now this one is for G. For G east, west, north, south. Now here I south. See here. I is southeast of G and I is southeast of G. But our requirement is what? North east means then which of the following is not there means answer is what? Option D. So question number 40 option D.